Yeah, let's go.
Wait a minute. What the frick? What just happened? Oh, okay, okay. I see. I'm there. I got turd now. It's my turn. Okay. Hmm. Let's see. Uh,
Yeah.
yeah, I guess I could play this. This is good. Yeah. Your turn.
All right, just waiting.
Just waiting.
Like, there's like a processing thing before I do a thing.
Hmm.
All right.
If this keeps taking forever, we can maybe do a different game. Switch it to like Battleship or Connect 4 or something.
Okay, cool town. Mhm.
Huh. Oh, I do have VODs.
What happened?
They're just not published.
Oh, okay.
Twitch does save everything. Cool.
Hey,
So I'll have a full VOD of this too. I'll probably just rip it and put it up on YouTube.
yeah. It's like my thing. I use whatever Twitch thing they have. It just automatic when I record, it just automatically records. I put it in a folder for later.
Oh, in OBS.
Oh no, it's like in the Twitch's own Twitch studio.
Oh, I didn't
Yeah,
even know you could do that.
I can do an OBS, but I just gotta learn how to use it.
OBS, you can just push like right underneath the streaming. There's a thing for recording, and you can record at the same time you're streaming.
Yeah, I was
But this
wondering if you
game's
could
gonna
do
take
that.
a hot minute, ain't it?
Yeah. Uh,
Hmm. Is there like another kind of word board game
Fuck.
type thing? Maybe there's a different Scrabble. Online Scrabble apps where you could play with friends.
Probably.
ISC.ro has many dictionaries, including one that has all the words.
Oh,
Hmm.
what's that?
Everyone's saying ISC is better. Do you want to try that instead?
Sure.
I
Shit.
think this is a no go. Far as let's check out this ISC. Let me just see what it is first. .ro. This sounds so fucking sketch. What is this shit? Oh, oh, bro, this is perfect. Okay. Password's gonna be swag.
Ick. I changed my thing. What's the thing called again?
Um. Oh man, I gotta like make an account or something.
Fuck that.
Shit, it's it's ISC.ro. The website looks fucking crazy, but I think it's fine.
ISC
.ro.
.ro.
Ew,
Scrabble.
I don't know why I said it like that.
Internet Scrabble Club. Oh, okay. The Internet Scrabble
Uh,
Club.
I gotta make a account, I guess.
I see.
Someone took Higgle. What?
Look at my freaking
All right, Higgle Pog. That's fine.
that one next.
I gotta do the email thing. Fine. I definitely trust this website for sure. So can have my all right. It sends a pin code to your email. Fuck's
I
sake.
see name.
I'm very glad I'm not showing the screen right now. I had the foresight to turn that off.
Oh, I'm about to say I'm like I have my screen on, but had my password thing to not show. So I'm like, okay, all's good.
I just have that little gif of the wizard typing on the computer. Not very good at typing, but it's okay. Oh, I guess it stands for Internet Scrabble Club.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. How do I join you?
I'm still making my account. Gotta type in my PIN. Blah 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 blah.
Oh,
Okay. Am I officially signed in now? I am. Okay. Do you have an account?
yeah. I'm PO.
Okay. Just PYO?
PIYO.
PIYO. Good, good. Okay. Search. There you are.
Hello.
Uh, so one buddy, you match.
Yes.
Okay, cool. We're in.
Oh,
And then let me show the screen again. Uh, fit transform, fit screen,
fuck.
center to screen. I mean, center. Damn you. Why is it doing this to me?
You gotta believe.
Center. God damn you.
This timed. Oh, it's a wee bit timed.
It is. I'm gonna restart it though.
Okay.
Transform. Is it fit to screen? Yes. I kind of only need like it doesn't
Would
matter.
do. Oh
It
wait, I
doesn't
could put
fucking matter.
cloud. There's solid. I'm just gonna put wood two. What's the background? Uh, nope.
Okay, this is fine. That layout is kind of
It's actually
ass,
probably fine.
but it's fine. Okay. How do we start over?
Hmm. I don't know.
um,
Or game
disconnect.
settings.
No settings. Holy shit, bro! This website is like arcane as fuck. Uh, action. Resign. Okay. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. 20-minute game time. American Dictionary. Uh, yeah, sure, sure.
Let's go.
Seek sentence. Oh no 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 no! I want to challenge you, not some random ass fuck. You match PO. There we go.
Yes. All right.
There we go. Okay,
Who starts?
me. Let's see.
Has your viewership gone up or anything?
I have had one viewer all stream. It's okay though. Your turn. That's the answer to my
Yeah,
question,
I'm
by
about to
the
say, it's like, it just popped up, I'm like,
way.
"Oh, okay."
No. It's fine though. I mean, really, when you're just first starting out, you have
Oh,
to keep
yeah.
doing it just to show Twitch that you're doing it more so than like having viewers.
Yeah.
Like, you do need to get the viewers as part of like the thing, but part of it too is like just having the numbers of stream time under your belt. The thing I get the most viewers for is when I do Yu-Gi-Oh.
There we go.
Ooh, you know what? I need to do this. Oops, what the fuck? This and then this. There. So much better. Okay. Let's see. Bait,
Bait.
as in bait that.
Ugh. Wonder if this counts. Does this work? Hell yeah.
Oh yeah, you can totally do that. Hmm. Dang, I don't know.
Uh, Oh, man.
All right,
Mute.
that's fine. You're definitely winning since you played that Z though.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I don't think I marked down that. Oh, I did. I beat you in crab fucker hive. Hmm.
Okay.
Give me some like fucked up letters, man. What am I gonna do with these? Come on.
Oh, man, hmm. Whatever, like, this best I could think of right now.
Ugh. I'm embarrassed with how I thought something was spelt for a second. Like, I know it's not, but like I know it's not, and I never thought it was. But just for some reason in the moment, I thought X-ray started with a E.
Bro. Okay.
I know,
Good thing
I
you
know, I
caught
know, I know,
yourself there. I'm about to say,
I
like,
know, I know. It's like, EX. Wait, hold on. Oh my god, I don't know.
but I'm like, if you're like, I don't know, X.
I don't know. I'm playing these two-letter words. Maybe it's what it's all about. Completely fucked up the double letter, double word score. I don't remember. I think the letters are the ones going X, and the words are the blue ones.
This work?
I don't remember actually.
Wonder if this works. Don't get mad. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, it's stupid.
What were you gonna type?
X-ray, but
Oh,
that's dumb. It's how else
it
do you
doesn't let
spell
you
it?
do
Have to
it.
have the hyphen in there?
XRAY.
Yeah.
I guess maybe it's not a word.
What the hell? It's dumb. Anywho, yeah,
It is
there you go.
technically X dash ray. So
Yeah,
yeah.
we
So
don't have
I
a
don't know.
dash, so it should
Yeah,
count.
should you're right, but it don't.
It's dumb. Crazy, man.
Crazy. I had to
Oh
use a
man, oh man.
yeah. I just needed some new letters, you know. Doop 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 doop. Doop 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 doop. Doop 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 doop.
Oh, there you go.
Art. Ooh, I got a good one. Yeah.
Oh, nice,
Solid.
solid. All right.
I'm happy neither of us are particularly like good at Scrabble.
Yeah, I don't have a brain in like dictionary or dictionary in like brain. I was like,
Yeah, this isn't like the kind of like thing I'm good at. I'm good at like the pattern recognition kind of part of it, which I think if you play this game enough, it does sort of become pattern recognition and less
yeah,
like a language thing. That's why I'm like I can do Tetris kind of good. Is it's like it's almost like I see binary when I'm playing that game. Like I just see shapes. You know what I mean? I'm not really thinking. It's more of just like I don't know. Most it's the most lizard brain I can get to is playing Tetris.
ugh. Yeah. I feel like if I played Tetris like long enough, I could do that. But I'm like,
Oh, for sure.
yeah,
I've just been playing that shit since I was literally a little babbo. It's one of those games that's just always been.
ugh.
I remember loving Smash Bros. Melee when I was like 10, 11, 12. You know, maybe even like 13. And then it just kind of like went away for a while. And then that whole like melee scene came back. I was so surprised by how serious like everyone was taking that. I was like, This game? Why this game? I still don't get it." You know what I mean?
Does this work? I have nothing. It doesn't work. Ah, man. This is not my game.
Wait, can't let me put the little wizard guy on screen like above where my whoa. Yeah, de-stretch him a little, and then I can put him here. Then I'm gonna put a thing over top for you. Let's see.
I fucking have, man.
You can be
Woo! Look at that. 3 points. What you got, bud?
wait, what the hell is this?
Your turn. What the fuck?
Nope.
Oh. Oh,
Okay,
what's going on
whatever.
here? Out
You
here. Get
played Go.
okay, that's weird. Yeah, I
What
put
happened?
go. A thing went on my screen. I don't know what oh, close that.
I could play
Step
Goku right now.
can't.
Won't let me play Goku though.
That and this will be a Goku hive.
It's true.
A hive of Gokus.
A whole hive of them.
Well, it kinda makes sense to be like a hive mind of Gokus. They all think the same.
This is a word. I'm gonna be quite excited.
Alright.
Ah, it's not a word.
Can't believe
Zorg,
X-ray wasn't a
not a
word.
word. Zorg
Thorg.
was not a word apparently.
Ain't a word, dude.
You don't know that. Ah, I don't got nothing, man.
I know, it's like
This must be frustrating to watch if you're good at this, you know?
yeah. Good thing there's nobody watching us. It's like
uh, I guess I could play this. Rag.
rag. And I hate like these small like words are not making up a big enough word for
Yeah,
music
yeah,
like to
we're
go
fucking
out.
up the board.
Yeah. We're both fucking it up. It's like, oh, that's that's a thing. Yeah.
Ode. All right, not bad. Do you want to know the most bullshit word in the whole game?
What? Oh yeah. I wonder if you could have put it in between like all the other eyes.
Icky?
Yeah.
I don't think IQI is a word though, but neither is QI for
Oh
fuck's
yeah.
sake. Whatever the hell that is. What could that word even mean? The circulating life force whose existence and properties are the basis of much Chinese philosophy and medicine. Oh, it's literally key, like your fucking Goku energy levels.
Yeah.
It's pretty disrespectful.
I know this word must have like a C. What the fuck? Get over here. Probably like a CK. Let me see. Yeah, I thought. Ugh. Nice. There you go.
Lore. Hmm. I know there's something
Man,
here.
I love how he went from like really stressful, high paced or like stressful, like long games, like this to the
Yeah.
like this one where we're both like brain dead or like the fuck? I don't know, man.
This is so much more chill though.
Yeah,
Plus, I'm just listening to RuneScape music, and that's always like,
that's nice.
yeah. Do you have music under your stream going?
No.
It's just silent Scrabble time.
Yes.
What
Silence my voice. Probably learn how to do that.
do you mean?
Like get music in
Just
there.
play music?
Hey,
No,
guess
you
what?
just play it on YouTube.
Or that
That's
too.
all.
Check this out. America time.
Guns. American time. Let's see. Hmm. Ooh, I got a fun one.
Oh
Bang.
yeah. Hmm.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Wonder if
yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
did a double? Can I do that?
yeah.
No.
Ooh. Oh man, we still got Gang Beasts.
In Halo.
Fuck yeah. And Halo. Hell yeah.
They have the good ones.
We did,
The
we
last,
did.
yeah.
Honestly, Fight Crab was unexpectedly like one of my favorites so
Oh
far.
yeah, Fight Crab's great.
Chivalry was fucking great too,
Oh yeah,
man.
Chivalry is too. Like the fun physics game that just makes you like,
Yeah. I wonder if it'll is this a word? It's like half of a word. Yeah. No.
I'm like, I wish I had an S.
Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh. That's a lot of points right there. 39 points. Let's go.
Twice? Okay.
For like a 39 points, dude.
Does this count?
What?
I just try to put ooh woo. No, fuck no, get out of there.
Ooh. Hmm. It's interesting. Interesting.
Oh, I did, but damn.
I know there's something. There's something, man. Ah, it's like right there. What is it? Okay.
Fucking
I know what I'm gonna do on my toy.
dude, that does a thing. Yeah, cool, whatever.
Oh, you took the thing I wanted. Let's see.
Oh, I thought it said poops. I'm like, okay.
Oh no, no, it's
Like,
pops.
uh,
I was gonna play fart, but you played put. Where I was gonna play fart.
damn.
Boy, we really fucked up like the whole right side of the board, like the bottom right. It's just
Yeah,
unplayable.
it was like, fuck.
I guess we could use it. There's like the couple E's, and if we could figure out something with the X, I don't know what.
Yeah.
Actually, I could do it. I know what to play with the X. You've only got like 5.5 minutes,
I
by the way.
know.
Just so you know, you.
Oh, yeah, I know, man. It's alright.
uh, ugh.
Fucking hell. I like it as it doesn't give me an I either. I'm like, "Come on." Not an I, an S. I'm like, "This whole time."
Oh, you haven't gotten a single S?
Nope.
Shit.
Ugh. That's all I got.
Uh, I want to make your pro like I'm changing like my picture on the top left. I made it the wizard just on my overlay. I
Mhm.
want to make yours damn son, but it kind of feels a little racist to do that. So I'm gonna do the hot dog cat anyway. Do you know what picture I'm talking about?
No.
I'll send it to you in Discord after. Actually, let's do it here. Uh, Whatever. Put it in general. Travis will be confused, but there. Maybe I shouldn't use that one. I just made you hot dog cat instead. You're a hot dog cat. You played no.
Oh my god, man. Whole board's screwed.
I can't play Zen? XEN? That's not a word? It's not a word. It's
Yeah.
ZEN, you fucking idiot.
I'm like, "What are you talking about, dude?" Yeah, we fucked
Ah,
up everything where we can like, all the vowels are next to a thing. Alright, cool.
neat. Hmm. Oh, wait, wait, wait. This is way better. 22 points. Let's go.
Finally, an S works. I'm not even there, so it's fine. My only S.
You're only yes. Set me up for something good here for sure.
Oh, yeah, shit.
Uh, hmm. If I can figure it out.
Amazing.
Amazing. She. And now the board's fucked again. Sort of.
Fuck. All I
What
got.
am I supposed to do with a J?
There we go.
Bruh. 5 points. On the board, baby.
Yep.
Yep.
Old.
Hey, a thing of water. I love water. You know what I'm saying?
Gonna do this? Fuck. Oh, cool, fine.
Oh,
Wait,
the
I could do
battle of
that.
the minds.
There you go.
What'd you put? Lag. And you got
Leg.
ass. Ooh, that's not bad. You got
Yeah,
10 points from that. Not too bad.
and I fucked up the board a little bit more. You're welcome.
Sure did. Damn, do I have like anything here? Sheesh. Huh.
Man,
I mean, I could find something, but hmm. Is this a word? VOE? Oh, it
oh,
is.
that's a thing?
Yeah, I
What is
guess
that?
so. I thought that was a Zelda thing, but
It's looking another end around here.
isn't there a thing where like one of the moves you can do is switching out your letters?
I don't know.
I think that's what changes on the bottom. 'Cause I think I might do that. I got a fucking J, bro. What am I gonna do with that? A J?
Work. All right, cool.
It- And it.
Running so close.
Oh, come on. Really want to use that for something, but I don't think I will be able to. 'Damn. Alright, I'm changing out my damn letters. Select all. Give me some new ones. Wait, what?
Oh, you could do that?
Select all. Why isn't
That's
it
reordered one.
changing? You must specify which ones you want. Am I not doing that? It's not possible to change. There are less than 7 letters left. Oh. Well, I don't want this, and I don't want this, and I don't want this. Oh, you can't change it all. We're just stuck with what we got. Okay. Okay. I mean, I got something, but is this a word? Oh, you can't play Yee? Yee? Fucking sucks at the end of this game, bro. Uh, all right, fuck it. I just got to do something, right? Bye. Your
Alright.
turn.
Alright.
And
Mystery letter? The hell? Okay.
oh, it can be whatever you want. That was the last letter drawn. Sheesh. Wee. Get them one letters going, boy.
Mm.
Better figure it out. You got 1 minute.
I get Yeah, let's
There's an
go.
A on the bottom. You could probably do something with that.
Fucking ass.
Ass?
That's what I got, man.
I love it. Game is for friggin' losers, dude. How is that a word, by the way?
Fuck, where my fucking D go?
30 seconds.
Go.
Whoa!
Done. What you got, man?
Jam for 20 points.
Can I do
And a
this? Can I
fucked
do
up
this?
board.
Can I
I
do
just
this?
ruined everything.
Oh, I could do this.
Oh! It's over though.
Yeah, that's whatever.
Sick. That was really good though. That was a great last one.
Mo is a word,
I guess.
but ye is not a word.
But YEE wasn't.
Oh. Fuck, what is mo?
Don't know. I don't know, brother.
So dumb.
All right, I'm gonna stretch out this guy. You want to take like another quick, like 5 minute break?
Yeah.
Come back at 6:30.
We'll be right back. Bum, ba, 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 ba. End this recording.